everybody, my name is Desiree Fleck with FleckFarm Patterns, and today the first thing we're going to learn is how to make a slip knot. So you're going to take your yarn. This is the yarn ball that we made in the lesson previous. We're going to take your crochet hook. To make a slip knot, you're going to take your yarn, wrap it like this around your fingers, come around and hold this loose end down with your thumb. So you have it coming down, up, around, and back over. Then we're going to take our crochet hook, go up and under, over this middle part, and hook our yarn coming from the yarn ball. Should look like this. I'll show you again. Coming under, over, under. Then we're just going to pull. You can let this slide. Pull this through here. And then we'll let it go from our fingers and pull our small ends like this. Boom! There we have the slip knot. Now, just like the name suggests, we will slip it up so that it is secure, close to the hook, but we want it to be able to slide around a little bit. There, just like that. So you have a little bit of a gap here, but you're also able to move it through nicely. All right, on to step 2.